Hi, Tato Young with my brother Chris, and we're here to show you how to make the Chinatown Special, what we think is the best do-it-yourself beauty dish. The primary components are a 16-quart steel mixing bowl, and for the internal reflector, an 8-inch pizza pan. After the bowl has been sanded and cleaned, we're ready to start preparing the mounting hardware. What we're using for this design is the mounting bracket from the Lasterlight EasyBox Softbox series. Now we're making this beauty dish specifically for the Nikon SB900 speedlight. We've made a custom template for that, which is going to match the flash head, so that's going to serve as the template for cutting into the dish. We're about ready to mark out the drilling and cutting guides for the beauty dish. Before we do that, we wanted to show you guys what the final assembly for the bracket is going to be. Using 3/4-inch machine screws to secure the internal reflector, and there's the number 4 machine screws to secure the bracket, which attaches like so and is tightened via jam nuts on those 4 corners. So now we're ready to make the markings for the holes we'll drill and also for the hole we will cut for the speedlight to fit through. We've removed the collar from the EasyBox bracket and have centered it just roughly in the middle. We've eyeballed it to get as close as possible. And here you can see we've made the markings for all of the holes here. Now that we've got the holes drilled and everything sanded down, we have marked the back of the dish using the template before cutting the space for the speedlight to fit through. And there we have our lovely hole for the Nikon SB900 speedlight. Now we've completed drilling the holes on the internal reflector. It should line up with the holes we drilled on the bowl itself. So now we're going to start painting, and because we've sanded previously, you shouldn't need to prime them. Everything's been painted, the polyacrylic is set. Now let's put it all together. Here's a look at the back side of the beauty dish with all the fastening hardware in place. The 1/4-inch machine screws are used as the attachment points for the internal reflector, while the number 4 machine screws point back. And the view of the front of the dish with the reflector in place, secured by the end caps. Since we use the bracket itself as a template, attachment to the beauty dish is super easy. Tighten the jam nuts, and you're done. And that is how to make the Chinatown Special. Have fun, guys, and thanks for watching.